A ticking clock, January 29th, the deadline to conclude ongoing efforts aligning with the IRS's acceptance of tax returns. If you're yet to file taxes and are eligible for the child tax credit, vrmsztax.com says, don't wait to file. The IRS will make adjustments as needed. Why? There's a potential increase in the child tax credit. Now let's unravel the 2023 child tax credit. It's a neat $2,000 per child. That's a potential $4,000 for a family with 2 kids, plus a refundable tax credit of $1,600 per child. Who's eligible? The relationship to the child is key, covering a wide range from biological to adopted children, even siblings and descendants. The child must live with you for over half the year, and there are exceptions. Citizenship status counts, and so does providing a Social Security number for each qualifying child. Financial support is essential, and income thresholds apply. For accurate assessment, the IRS Interactive Tax Assistant is your friend. It guides you through various scenarios to determine eligibility. Looking forward, 2024 promises a $1,900 credit per child, jumping to $2,000 in 2025. To claim this, you'll need to file Form 1040 and Schedule 812. The takeaway? Stay informed. The child tax credit landscape is ever evolving, and savvy individuals and families can leverage the financial benefits it offers. Remember to subscribe and stay updated with these changes. vrmsztax.com